Hello, this is Lewis Classic Cars of Palm Beach in Jupiter, Florida, and this is going to be a quick video on this car. We're going to go ahead and do a cold start. Show the gauges here to show the temperature. Go ahead, start it. All right, let's get some exhaust noises going here. All right, sounds good. Let's get a video going on the condition of this car. Customers are asking for the date code on the tires. Beautiful condition. Car looks great. PPF on the front. Tires look, the headlights look good. They're not faded or cracked or anything like that. Top looks great too. Rust on the car. I was just trying to show the lower control arms and steel bolts and stuff like that. Oh, you can see there's no rust on it. Take you inside the car. Door panels look great. Seats look good. Smells good in here too. Got carbon fiber here for the kick panels. This car does live out here, so we do have some leather stretching going on, especially here. Just trying to show the dash as much as I can. Go to the other side. Show you this door panel here, the driver's side. This is the seat here. Bolster is a little bit worn here. It's not ripped or anything. Steering wheel looks great. Carbon fiber there. This button fell off, but we do have a new one being installed. It's a beautiful car. If you have any other questions or would like to see additional videos, please contact us. 561-529-3101. Have a great day.